Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on this simple look I have on right here. It's a simple cut crease with a green eyeliner to, give it a bit of spice, a bit of flavor, and I'm loving the look. Like, can you see? Anyway, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off with the P.Louise eyeshadow base. I'm using the shade Room 5 and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm starting off with this shade right here from my Morphe 3502 palette. Excuse the birds, it's quite early in the morning. So I'm just going to blend that in my crease area as our transition color. Next, I'll be going into the shade right here. I've hit pan on that shade and I'm using my Sigma E38 brush. I'm concentrating this color right here in my outer crease area because we're going to cut the crease and we want a sharp definition. So now I'm taking my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm in the shade Dark 42 using my Colourpop E6 brush. It's an angle brush, perfect for a variety of things, and I'll use that to cut my crease. I'm going back into that brown shade we used to cut the crease, and I'm taking this tiny lip pencil brush. Any small brush would do for this step, and you want to go back into that cut crease and really darken that line of demarcation because I really want the contrast between the lid color and the crease. Now I'll use my Colourpop No Filter powder in the shade Banana. Taking a flat shader brush, I'm just going to pack on this powder on our lid. Using my Sigma E38 brush, I'm going back into that dark brown we used in our crease, and I'm just going to lightly feather the lower part of this cut crease to give it some kind of smoke and va-va-voom. I will be using my Inglot Gel Liner. I do not have a mixing medium and I want to add a pop of color to my eye look, so I'll be using my NYX glitter glue, glitter primer, sorry, and I'm taking this green shade right here from the Sooprocosmetics Vivid Pop Rack. This is what it looks like, and we're going to line our liner. I'll be using my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. I got it right. This name is a tongue twister. And I'm just going to apply that on my top lashes for now. I'm going to line my lips using a brown pencil. It's a regular brown pencil. To my Hush Beauty NG lip palette, and I'm taking this nude shade. We're going to take a bit of that white shade and pop that in the center of our lips. I'm going to mix these two glosses, the Neat Freak and Dripping from the Colourpop x Shayla collaboration. I'm using my Sleek blush palette. This is the blush by 3, and I'm taking this particular shade. It's called Pea Pie with my Real Techniques brush. I'm just using the same brown we use in our transition, and I'm just going to smudge that on my lower lash line. And I'm using my mascara, and I'll apply that on my lower lash line. Now to heighten everything, I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and we're just going to, you know, bring some fire to the look. Yes. Yes. Okay guys, so here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with me till this time. You're the real MVP. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting, if you liked it, and leave a comment down below letting me know if you would rock this look or if you would recreate it. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.